Um, kasama niyo pa yung anak niyo dyan sa loob? Nakakasama niyo pa ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, salamat po.
Okay, so okay naman yung kanyang kapansanan. Ano ba siya? Medyo ano siya ngayon?
May diagnosed with dyslexia, ADHD, and may bipolar with
Okay.
depression po, Mr. Chair.
So yun yung mga karamdaman na na-diagnose sa kanya.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. During the time that you were DGM of PCSO, do you remember that you have appointed several members of your family?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
How many? Seven, 8, 9, or 10?
Mr. Chair, referring to the appointment po na hired sa PCSO and paid by
Consultant,
PCSO.
whatever, position, appointed as secretary, or
More or less
whatever.
5. I'm sure more than 5, Mr. Chair.
7.
Yeah.
And one of those is your daughter. Am I correct? You appointed her as confidential agent. Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You appointed your daughter who is sick as a confidential agent. And do you know the meaning of a confidential agent?
Yes,
Why did you
Mr.
appoint
Chair.
your daughter if she's sick?
Mr. Chair, during that time, ang diagnosis lang po sa kanya is dyslexia.
Yeah, you told us.
That is actually
And what's the reason why you appointed
hindi
her?
naman po ibig sabihin mentally ano po ang dyslexia. Lumabas lang po yung bipolar niya after I left PCSO.
Okay. Do you know the qualifications of confidential agent?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Or what
there
are the
must be
qualifications
trust.
of confidential agent? Tell me.
Someone you could trust on
I will
matters.
tell you the qualification of a confidential agent. 1, a bachelor's degree in criminal justice. 2, may experience siya. Previous experience in law enforcement. Meron ba siyang experience sa law enforcement? Your daughter?
I'm not aware of that.
You're not aware. You're together with her for 23 years in New York. Hindi ka aware kung
No.
meron siyang experience sa law enforcement? Meron ba siya? Wala o meron? Wala.
None, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
correct. Anong skill niya? Yung analytical skill niya. Ability to analyze information in order to be a confidential agent.
She's very competent in report writing, Mr. Chair, in editing communications.
10 at 8. Sige. Okay. So, basically, she's sick, but you appointed her as a confidential agent.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yeah, go ahead.
Dyslexia is not a disease. It is a learning disorder, but she was able to overcome it, Mr. Chair, and continues po in therapy niya during that time. She's very brilliant in communication. In fact, she writes articles in their school po siyang gumagawa during that time nang nasa high school po siya, Mr. Chair.
Pero may experience ba siya bilang law enforcement as confidential
I
agent?
don't feel naman po na
Those are the qualifications that are written for the confidential agent. Okay. How about Marie Luis Sejorales? Yung first cousin mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. She was also in PCSO, correct?
Yes,
Anong
Mr.
position
Chair.
ang lagay mo sa kanya?
I think she was appointed as a nurse, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, siya rin ang lagay mong in charge sa mga pagkain doon, correct?
No, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo siya nilagay?
No, sir.
I will be asking the... can we ask the official of the PCSO to be in here? Si attorney... yes, also si AGM Gabuyo, si attorney Insyong, yung HR manager natin, si attorney Paquera, and all other PCSO official who are invited. Si Doris Garma, yung sister-in-law mo, ano naging position niya doon sa yung asawa ni Chuck Garma? Ano naging position niya sa PCSO?
Sa admin po siya.
Sa admin.
Nailagay ko po siya sa
Okay.
admin po, Mr.
Si Howard
Chair.
Mansan, yung iyong first cousin sa mother side, saan mo nilagay?
Consultant po sa IT, Mr. Chair.
We have invited also Howard Mansan. Andito ba si Howard Mansan? Can we ask him to be present in here as well? Very important tong si Howard Manzana. Consultant siya ng IT. Mother side, first cousin ni GM Garma. And si yung asawa ni Howard Manzan, did you appoint her?
She's my private secretary,
Correct.
Mr.
Si
Chair.
Irene Manzan.
Yes.
So she was also present or appointed as a official of the PCSO. How about yung asawa ng first cousin mo na si Emmy Ubales?
Yes, Mr. Chair. I
She was
also
also
hired her.
appointed?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And how about Junjun Ubales?
He was
Nakadetail
detailed
sa
to me
iyo.
as security, Mr.
Si Junjun
Chair.
Ubales ay ang first cousin mo who was detailed sa
Yes.
PCSO.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. So how many how about andyan ba si Emmy Ubales? We have invited her as well, Mr. Chair, to be a part of this hearing. Andyan ba? GM Garma, don't you think it's quite unethical for a general manager to put all mga cousins, daughter, in-laws
Mr.
as
Chair.
part of your circle in the PCSO?
Mr. Chair, the positions that were given to them, ang requirement lang po is trust and confidence, Mr. Chair. Just like
Okay.
anybody in appointed, Mr. Chair.
How about si Igel? Did you appoint him as
Igel?
legal researcher? Awakay?
Argel.
Siya namamahala
There
ng...
was we posted the vacancy, Mr. Chair, and I think she applied and she was qualified as a researcher, Mr. Chair. She was hired.
Okay,
After
HR. Gusto ko lang malaman sa HR. Si Cynthia Kiboloy Ragudo. Ma'am. Can you kindly sit here?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Siya ba na-appoint si Igel Awakay? Siya nag-handle ng STL Core Group, correct?
Mr. Chair, Igelet Awakay was appointed Technical Assistant A.
Technical
Actually,
assistant.
Yes po, sir.
But what is his position in the operation of the STL Core Group?
With regards to her position sa SCG po, I am not aware of that, Your Honor.
Hindi po kayo aware.
Hindi po, because hindi naman po nanggaling
But
sa HRD
siya ay
po.
technical assistant,
Yes po.
appointed. Why
Yun
not
pong-
si Attorney Galileo ang na-appoint bilang legal research? Bakit a certain job order in the position of Igel ang na-appointed?
Ms. Awakay applied for that position, Your Honor, and he was accepted based on merit.
Sige, okay. Because we will be dealing this in the next hearing, you know. I just wanted to abbreviate this issue. But in the next hearing, we will be discussing as well. Because there are certain issues regarding the feasibility study of all the STL operation in the whole country being manipulated by this person. Iisa ang template nyo. Submit all the templates of all the submission of the STL operation in the whole country. Because if you can see that was manipulated to favor some winners, then you are in trouble. No, not you, but those who approve that, those winners. Anyway, so, ma'am, si Attorney Paquera, andyan si Attorney Paquera?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Present.
Nasaan ka? Attorney Paquera. Anong position mo sa panahon ni GM Garma?
I was EA6, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ikaw si OS. Chief of
Yes.
Staff.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but based on the organizational structure of the office, tatlo po yung EA6.
Tatlong EA6.
Yes, in the office of the general
But during the
manager.
time that you were in that office, ikaw yung pinaka chief of staff. Am I correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So lahat ng mga communication are being translated to you, correct?
Uh, all from the receiving section, Mr. Chair, yung communications po, sinasala po yan. Tapos the rest that are not under a specific person, sa akin po napupunta lahat.
And during that time na nawala ka, ang pumalit sa iyo si Lot Griar.
I have no personal knowledge on that, Mr. Chair.
Kung
After I
siya
left?
pinalit. Yes.
I don't have any personal
No.
knowledge.
Lot Griar was detailed doon sa PCSO.
I
But
bel-
nakikita mo siyang kasama doon sa loob ng opisina.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Si Lot Griar, andito siya. So during all your time that you were assigned as COS of the PCSO, Lot Griar was always there.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Nauna, I believe, Mr. Chair, nauna sila sa akin.
Yes.
Because I came in sometime in August already.
O sige, Lot Griar, ba't ka nandun sa loob? Anong ginagawa mo sa loob ng opisina? Anong item mo? Anong item mo sa PCSO at ba't landong ka sa loob ng opisina ng GM?
Magandang umaga, Your
Hmm.
Honor. DS po ako kay Ma'am Garma, Your Honor.
Correct.
Naka-duty detail po ako sa kanya.
So hanggang sa loob ng kaloob-looban ng opisina na kung saan nagtatrabaho si GM together with the COS, you're still there inside.
Nasa dulo po ako, Your Honor.
Hindi, sinasabi nga ni nandun ka sa loob eh.
Opo, nandun sa loob pero yung cubicle ko po, Your Honor, sa pinakadulo.
So in other words, hindi ka nawawala sa tabi ni GM Garma. You're always there.
Sa tabi niya, hindi kami makapasok sa
Are you assigned outside or inside the perimeter of the PCSO?
outside ng office ni Ma'am Garma, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. I will show you something, Lot, ikaw rin ang nangungontrata ng mga food packs doon? Ha?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
O, sige ha.
Opo.
Be careful on what you're saying. Baka mamaya may mapapakita ako sa iyo. Ma'am Garma, nung nakaraang hearing, we were discussing about the hilltop property. Di ba? May pinakita ako sa iyong hilltop property. And you manifested in this hearing that wala kang bahay doon sa hilltop. Do you remember on November 26 to November 27, 2021, nagkaroon kayo ng team building ng mga female department managers ng PCSO doon sa Hilltop Mansion? Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, it's not.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
Mr.
or
Chair,
no?
there is
Nagkaroon
a
kayo ng team building?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Oh, sabi mo wala kang bahay doon sa So, kaninong bahay yung pinuntahan nyo at nag-team building kayo sa Hilltop Mansion?
If I can explain,
Yes,
Mr.
go
Chair,
ahead.
it's not my property, Mr.
Kaninong
Chair.
property yun?
But
Kaninong property?
the
Kaninong property?
I develop it, Mr. Chair.
You develop it. Why did you develop it? Para kanino?
During that time, Mr. Chair,
Kanino? Para kanino mo dinevelop yung bahay na yon?
nung una po, detachment po kasi yun, Mr.
Detachment ng
Ng mobile force po, when I was
Mobile
the city
force ng?
director. When I was the city director of Cebu.
And what is your connection with the mobile force kung bakit kailangan mo i-develop yung bahay na yon? It's a mansion. Meron siyang mga glass.
It's not a mansion, Mr.
It's
Chair. There used to be a structure,
Okay.
Mr. Chair, which I just improve it para po mapakinabangan po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So,
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
Congressman Dan Fernandez. I think you were asking questions to both Lot and Attorney Paquera. Have you taken your oath?
Not yet, Mr. Chair.
So please, COMSEC administer the oath of Attorney Paquera. How about si Miss Lot and Miss Lot, nakapag-oath na ba kayo?
Yes, Your Honor, kanina
Okay,
po.
so please administer the oath of Attorney Paquera, COMSEC.
Ms. Marsan, have you taken your oath?
Miss Regudo po ako, sir.
Have you taken your
Not
oath?
yet, sir.
Please stand.
Those who
And
have not
Attorney
taken their oath, please stand up. Okay,
And please
proceed.
raise your right hand, attorney. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry? And do you affirm your statements you gave a little while ago? So help you God. Thank you. The oath has been administered, sir.
Thank you. Please proceed.
Okay,
Congressman
GM Garma, sinasabi mo, dinedevelop mo yon, inaayos mo yon. So, kaninong bahay yung dinedevelop mo? Kanino nakapangalan yung bahay na dinedevelop mo?
Mr. Chair, we asked permission po na there was a caretaker during that time, and it was not only me ang may mga na-develop dun sa area. There are also other officers. So,
Hindi, ang tanong ko,
gumaya lang po ako.
Bakit mo siya dinedevelop, yung bahay?
Maganda kasi yung place, and
So,
naisip ko rin po na malapit din po sa may detachment din po doon, and kasi maraming ahas noon during that time dun nung may mga
sinong
police po
gumastos ang
doon.
pagde-develop doon?
Ako po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw ang gumastos.
Yes, Mr.
Personal
Chair.
mong pera? O pera ng PCSO?
Hindi po, pera ko po, Mr. Dahan-dahan po.
Magkano ang
yun,
nagastos
matagal.
mo doon sa pagpapaayos ng bahay na yon? Sa mansyon, na full of glass.
Not that mansion, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, nakita na namin eh. So, sabihin mo na yung kung
wala.
magkano nagastos mo?
It's less than 1 million, Mr. Chair.
Magkano?
Less than 1 million.
Less than 1 million?
Dahan-dahan. Look,
Oh, sige.
po, Mr.
Department of Department of HR, Attorney Cynthia Regudo. Ma'am, kayong HR. Ma'am, ilan ang pumunta doon sa sa travel order na binigay niyo po noong November 26 to 27? Ilang female department managers ang nag-overnight sa bahay na yon?
Mr. Chair, all of the female
How
department
many?
managers for hindi ko po ma-recall
20? 30?
50, less than 20, Your
Less
Honor.
than.
Wow. So kung 20 persons ang nandun sa bahay na yon, so paano sasabihin mong 1 million yung ginastos mo sa pag-establish ng bahay na yon?
Can I make a statement?
So
Mr.
wait a minute. Okay. Attorney Insyong. Attorney Insyong. Attorney Analisa Insyong.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, nandun po kayo sa bahay ng Hilltop. So, syempre, nandun kayo eh, di ba? So, invited kayo doon dahil meron kayong female department managers tinatawag na team building ng PCSO. So, kanino ang pagkakaalam nyo yung bahay na yun?
I have no idea, Your Honor. We were just invited for dinner.
Wala ho kayo nababalitaan doon na sinasabi kung sino may-ari ng bahay? Wala ba nagmamalaki kung sino may-ari ng bahay? Ma'am, you're under oath.
Yes, yes, sir. Wala pong kaming mga ibang nakausap kasi we were all just together for the dinner po.
Si Ma'am Agnes Ibera, andyan ba si Ma'am Agnes Ibera? Please. Ma'am Agnes Ibera, were you a part of those who stayed at the house of a certain personality at the Hilltop? Andun po kaya?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair, I was one of the
And
attendees.
sino ang mga nabalitaan niyo may-ari ng bahay?
Wala pong, hindi pa ako nagtanong kung sino ang may-ari at wala rin pong nagbanggit kung sino ang may-ari.
Sino
Your
ba
Honor.
may-ari nun GM Garma ng bahay na yun?
Mr. Chair, I developed it, Mr.
Ha?
I developed it, Mr. Chair.
So sa iyo yun?
Sinabi ko na po kanina po.
Sa iyo?
I developed the area, Mr.
Kaya nga, kung
Chair.
dinevelop mo, sa iyo yun. Kasi may bahay siya eh, nakatutulog kayo eh. Mga 20 nga kayo natulog doon eh. Hindi may bahay, correct?
Hindi po, kwarto yung tinulugan na sa higla.
Hindi nga. What did you apply for it? Is it a residential place?
No, it's
yung,
not.
yung buong lugar na yon hindi residential? Natulog sila doon? Did you construct a structure?
There is a structure,
Merong
Mr. Chair.
kwarto, may sala, may kitchen.
Yun yung old area which
Hindi,
yes,
what
yes,
I'm
Mr.
asking
Chair.
you.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
The last time I asked you about the hilltop,
Mm.
sabi mo wala kang bahay doon. Now, you are trying to tell us that you develop it and you own it. Di ba?
Mr. Chair, yes.
Okay, so again, stop lying, Mama. We cannot cite you in contempt anymore, but we can, but okay, ma'am, eto, tanong ko ulit sa'yo. Nung ikaw ay PCSO General Manager, nagtayo ba kayo ng STL party list?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nagtayo ka ng STL party list.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Anong pangalan ng anong ibig sabihin ng STL party list?
Samahan ng totoong larong may puso, Mr. Chair.
Samahan ng totoong larong may puso.
Yes, Mr.
69
Chair.
sa balota. Sige. Naglagay ka ba ng pondo sa STL Foundation na kung saan siya ang sumusuporta sa STL party list na galing sa PCSO?
No, Mr. Chair.
Stop lying.
I
GM
cannot-
Garma, I know that you put money on that foundation.
No, Mr. Chair.
You put money from the PCSO. You put money.
No, Mr.
Stop
Chair.
lying.
I
I will show you something.
I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Sige. Pakita natin yung yung unang pakita natin yung binigay na 2 million. And I will be asking the official of PCSO about the donation that was given by PCSO to the STL Foundation that directly benefited the STL party list. Because sa party list na to ng STL, pinsan mo ang second nominee. Am I correct? Marsan.
Yes,
Hector
yes,
Marsan.
Mr. Chair.
Tama?
Yes po.
And who is the first nominee?
I cannot recall anymore, Mr. Chair.
Hindi
Kasi
mo
po,
hindi mo alam ang
um,
naka-assign sa'yo. Wait.
okay po.
Wait. GM. Sino-sino ang naka-assign sa'yo ng mga police during that time na ikaw ay GM? One is Narsolis, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Second is Lot Griar, correct?
Yes po.
Third is Jeremy Kausapin, correct?
Yes po.
Chuck Borondong,
Yes. sir.
correct? And Junjun Ubales, correct?
Yes, sir.
You know the wife of Chuck Borondong.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the wife of Chuck Borondong?
Yvonne, Mr.
Correct.
Chair.
And she is the first nominee. Hindi mo alam? Show it. Yes, police. Yan, tanda mo na. Wait,
Yes,
balik.
Mr. Chair.
O, tanda mo na yung STL Foundation that was created precisely to put the money of PCSO on that foundation and then directly benefited STL party list. Will you confirm it? Yes or no?
Can,
Pupunta tayo sa malalim.
Opo, yes, sir, Mr. Chair.
Okay, go. Next. Para pakita ko lang sa iyo, GM Garma, na yung pagsisinungaling, pag sinimula mo yan sa una, dire-diretso na yan. And that's the reason why when we ask you to be truthful, we give you the chance. But you never grab it. And that's the reason why we told you during that time. Hahanapin namin ebidensya. At ang ebidensya, as a matter of fact, hindi namin hinanap. Lumapit ang ebidensya. Balik mo sa dati. Yan. Gusto mo basahin ko? Hindi. Ito si Ibon. Ibon Barandog, yan yung nakakulay green, na asawa ni Colonel Barandog. Colonel Barandog, is Ibon your wife? Asa si Colonel Barandog?
Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Is Ibon Barandog your wife?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And she is the first nominee of the STL party list. Am I correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Correct. Sige, balik natin. So, si Colonel Barandog, who was assigned, na detailed siya kay GM Garma, they created an STL party list. At yung kinreate po nilang STL party list. And they also created the STL Foundation. Balik natin. Para mapakita natin that 2 million was donated. And I'll be asking PCSO, humanda na kayo, PCSO, tell us how much was donated for this STL Foundation. Ang STL party list facilitated through the STL Foundation, through the first nominee, Maria Ibon Kanya Barandog. Wait, a check from the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office worth 2 million pesos was turned over to Mandaue City Mayor Jonas Cortez. The 2 million is PCSO's calamity assistance to help Mandaue's recovery efforts. Now, it goes through the foundation. Di ba? Sunod. Next. Namigay kayo ng bahay. Yes. Ang party list na pinangungunahan ni Maria Ibon Kanya Barandog at ng kanyang pinsan na si Hector Marsan, first cousin niya, nag-turn over sila under the advocacy program nila, Bahay Mo, Puso Ko, sa Barangay Malubog, Cebu City. Will you confirm this? That you donated through the STL party list? Yan yung bahay.
Ano ba dinonate?
Yes or no?
I cannot recall anymore, Mr.
Okay, hindi
Chair,
mo
but
ma-recall.
if there are documents, I may be able to confirm it, but I
Okay.
cannot remember.
We will be inviting the president of the STL Foundation, who is the wife of Colonel Barandog. Barandog. We invited her. Is she around? Your wife? Is she here?
Mr. Chair, we did not receive the invitation.
Okay.
It was only me.
Sige, we will be inviting over. Anong trabaho po ng asawa nyo, Colonel Barandog?
For now, Mr. Chair, a little business entrepreneur, Mr. Chair.
Anong business?
Beauty industry, Mr. Chair.
Can she afford to give houses? Kasi hindi lang isang houses tong nakita ko eh. 5 bahay ata yung pinamigay eh. And I will be showing it. Can she afford to give houses?
Mr. Chair, it was a non-government organization who donated that house, Mr. Chair.
Anong non-government organization na nagbigay ng pondo para sa pabahay? Can you kindly tell us?
Hindi ko, I will recall, Mr. Chair.
Or what NGO are listed in your foundation? So we'll be asking for the list of the donors of that STL Foundation. We will go to that. So sinabi mo that NGO ang namigay ng pabahay. At yan, nakalista yan sa STL Foundation. I'm sure of it.
Mr. Chair, I will.
Speak louder, please.
Mr. Chair, I will retract my statement.
You will retract.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Why?
Uh,
Because you're under oath. O
Mr.
sino,
Chair,
kanino nang galing?
I
Yung
just
pagpapagawa, kanino nang galing pagpapagawa ng bahay na pinamigay ni Ibon na iyong asawa at pinsan ni General GM Garma?
Mr. Chair, it was, again, Mr. Chair, it was not, I will correct my former statement, Mr. Chair. It was not an NGO per se, Mr. Chair. It was a group of business organizations.
Who are those businessmen who donated houses?
Mr. Chair, I will recall it, Mr. Chair. But they were the one who constructed the house.
Please submit all those businessmen who donated those houses, no? Please.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You tell your wife to be here in the next hearing. Sige, pakita na natin yung susunod na bahay na dinonate nila.
Mr. Chair, with the permission of Congressman Dan.
Okay, Congressman Suarez.
Maybe si Colonel Burundong is in touch with his wife. Baka pwede niyang tawagan ngayon at malaman kagad natin yung mga detalye, Chairman, Congressman Dan, para mai-relay na kagad dito yung mga hinihingi mong mga sources of donations. Because I'm a little bit concerned kasi kanina binanggit po ni Colonel NGOs. Tapos niretract niya, sinabi niya naman businessmen. So maybe Colonel, you have your cell phone with you, no? Do you have your cell phone with you?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Do you have it?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Baka pwede mo lang i-text yung misis mo at malaman natin, ha? At may report ko na sa committee ngayong araw na ito. Thank you very much.
Okay, pakita naman natin yung second house that was given by the STL Foundation and the STL Party List. Yan po ay sa Barangay Sudlon, Cebu City. Can you kindly show it? Yan po yung second house na binigay kay Victoriano B. Baguio. At yung pangatlo, sige. Isa naman sa Sitio Mambao, Barangay Pamutan, Cebu City. Pangatlong bahay na pinamigay. And then, meron pa pong isa, yung bahay susunod. Pero, pakita na natin yung ano. GM Garma, you remember when I asked you about doon sa lupa na meron ka sa Santa Maria, Laguna? Sabi ko sa iyo, I will be trying to locate.
Wala
You-
po akong lupa, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
oo. But do you remember also that your STL party list conducted pakita mo nga yun sa Santa Maria, Laguna. Yes. Your STL party list, samahan ng totoong larong may puso, through your first cousin, Edward Howard Marsan, second nominee of STL party list, spearheaded the staging of STL Basketball League in Barangay Parang ng Buho, Santa Maria, Town, Laguna. Wherein, area ko po to eh. And basically, we're still waiting for all the documents that will be given to us to establish your ownership of that property. Anyway, Mr. Chair, I'll be asking si Commissioner Leonardo, kilala mo to?
Page,
Yes,
can you
Mr.
please,
Can you
Chair.
kindly give this to Commissioner Leonardo? Kilala mo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sino to?
Sergeant Jeremy kausapin, Mr. Chair. He's
Si
with
Jeremy.
the CIDG.
Tox.
Mr.
Kausapin, correct?
Chair. Kausapin, yes, sir.
So kilala mo siya?
Yes, sir. CIDG po siya.
Okay,
Yes.
buti naman. At medyo hindi ka na nagsinungaling ngayon. Kilala mo to, GM Garma? Si Tox.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, naka-assign to.
Yes, sir.
At hanggang ngayon, nasa PCSO to.
That I do not know,
Yeah,
Mr.
hindi mo
Chair.
na alam.
Hindi ko.
Yes, okay. Mamaya, malalaman mo. Anyway, so,
Chairman Fernandez.
tapos na po to.
Okay, thank you.
Si Colonel Bilela.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Colonel Bilela, are you the owner of Noy Pits Bar?
Part owner of the one of the Noy Pits,
Yes.
Noy Pits, Mr. Chair.
And you know that being a part of the Noy Pits Bar will entail millions of dollars.
No, Mr. Chair.
How much is your participation on those Noy Pits Bar, who is so popular in Las Vegas, in LA, in California?
Just in Las Vegas, Your Honor.
Huh?
20% in Las Vegas.
20%. And how much is the 20% that you shared?
200,000, Your Honor.
200,000 what? Dollars?
Dollars, Your Honor.
Wow. And where did you get the money of the $200,000?
From my salary in as a police attaché, Your Honor, and my savings, Your Honor.
So, naging police attaché ka sa Washington.
No, Your Honor.
Saan ka naging police attaché?
In the U.S. West Coast, Your Honor.
Okay, did you put that $200,000 in your SALN?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you kindly submit your SALN to us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so those Noy Pits Bar, no? That was established during what year mo to nabili, yung part mo?
2021, Your Honor, nung second year ko doon sa US, Your Honor. Hindi ko po nabili. Meron pong nagtayo po at mga kasamahan ko po, bali 3 po kami. Hati-hati ho kami.
At kayo, Colonel Bilela, dati kayong mag-asawa ni GM Garma.
Technically po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Ano no?
Technically po, Your Honor, kasi ang sabi po ng court, declaration of nullity of marriage kasi yung sa amin. So sabi ng court, there is no marriage to speak of.
Void ab initio.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. But still, you are in contact with her. May anak ba kayo ni GM Garma? If I may, I'm sorry kung na-touch ko yan. Meron
Yes.
kayo anak?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anak mo si
Angelica, Your Honor.
Angelica.
She was our adopted, Your Honor.
Adopted?
Legally po.
Okay, adopted pala siya. Okay. Anyway, how many branches do you have? Sa ano? O yung buong 7 ba yan? 5 store?
Magwawalo po, Your Honor, pero isa lang ho ako nag-invest. Doon lang po sa Las
Yes,
Vegas.
because I asked my friends in the States, and putting up a business like this will entail you millions of dollars. Malaki malaki yung Pinoy bar, yung Noy Pits Bar, and this Noy Pits Bar is a well-established na chain of restaurant. And that's the reason why medyo nagugulat lang kami that you were able to be a part, 20%, no? So maybe soon, Mr. Chairman, will be trying to find out, yung pag-apply din po nila doon sa SEC sa United States about those incorporators. But for the meantime, Mr. Chairman, lastly, may driver ka ba na pangalan Dennis Manalo?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Taga Pangasinan?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Yes, so may resort ka? Ato, Colonel Villela?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala, okay, sige, wala. Wala kang condominium sa Amaya, condominium sa may Quezon City?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala kayo, ha? And even GM Garma, wala rin sa Amaya, condominium?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo alam. GM, meron kang condominium sa Amaya?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ayun. Ako lang naman meron ka pala dun. So si...
If I may, Congressman Fernandez.
Sige.
Para lang GM Garma, magkano ba sweldo ng GM ng PCSO?
Yung salary lang po, parang salary grade 29, umabot po ata na parang 300 noon. And then when I left, it's almost 400. Hindi pa po kasama yung board meeting allowances and mga draw allowances.
So PCSO General Manager earns roughly around, anong ballpark
I cannot
figure ka?
recall,
Buwan-buwan?
mga more than 300 siguro or
So
ganun
mga
po.
300,000.
Parang hindi ko na. And dung later part, parang there's an increase. It's quite high, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair.
but I was asking you kung ano yung salary grade nung ikaw ang GM.
29, I think.
Okay,
parang
salary grade
29.
29. And it seems na sa salary grade 29, parang ang dami mo masyadong properties. Meron ka ba ibang negosyo?
Meron pong farming yung father ko po. Ako po nag-handle.
Anong pina-farm nyo doon?
May mango and sa bukid po. And when my mother
Mango
died,
farm.
yeah, and when my mother died, ako po nag-handle sa lahat ng tatay ko, sa ng mother ko, sa mga savings po nila and assets po.
So malaking hektarya siguro yan. Ilang hektarya yan?
Hindi naman po, Mr. Chair, tama lang. Ang bulk lang kasi ng nakuha namin is yung naipon ng mother kong jewelry because since I was 7 years old, hanggang college ko po, nasa ibang bansa na po yan. So medyo substantial po yung naipon.
If I may ask, are you married to Colonel Villela? Are you married to him?
We got married, yes, Mr.
And
Chair.
then legally separated kayo?
No, Mr. Chair, annulled po.
So, are you aware
And-
that he's getting $200,000 as his salary as the attaché? Alam mo ba yon?
100,000.
Nung nagkahiwalay ba kayo,
Um,
naghatian kayo ng properties?
Wala po kaming hatian ng properties, hindi namin ni-resolve.
Pero
yung-
meron kayo napundar na properties nung
Meron
kayo
din po,
nagsasama.
Mr. Chair,
Ano-ano
yes.
yung mga yan?
May bahay, may lupa, and then there's savings, Mr. Chair, kasi po our marriage was 2008 and I think he also worked sa America during that time. So may mga naipon po substantial amount, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige, salamat. Colonel Villela,
Yes, Your Honor.
where were you assigned?
Currently, Your Honor, I am the Deputy Director for Information Technology Management Service, Your Honor.
And what was your assignment where you said that you earned $200,000?
Accumulation po yun, Your Honor, when I was the police attaché.
Ilang taon yon?
Tatlo po, Your Honor.
Sa 3 taon, you were able to accumulate $200,000.
No, Your Honor.
Oh, eh,
Apart, Your Honor.
anong apart?
Yung pong investment ko po doon, yung kalahati noon, naipon ko po doon. Yung kalahati
No.
din po.
Kanina tinatanong ka. Sinabi mo, tinanong ka ni Chairman Dan meron kang $200,000 ka mo. And you said that this was a salary that you were able to get when you were assigned in Cyprus. Were you assigned in Cyprus?
No, Your Honor.
Yung sinasabi mo kanina, in diplomatic.
In the United States, Your Honor.
So sa US. And you earned that much, $200,000.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Oh, ano yung saan ang galing
Kalahati
yung
po noon, Your Honor.
So $100,000.
I am our salary there, Your Honor, allowances.
Hindi nga.
8,000, Your
Alam
Honor,
mo,
per
Colonel,
month. 8,000 per month.
Ulitin ko yung tinanong ni Chairman Dan, ha? Sabi niya, meron kang $200,000, di ba? Is that correct?
Hindi po ang ganyan ang pagkasabi niya, Your Honor.
O sige, sabihin mo sa akin kung ano yung sinabi niya. Sige, sabihin mo sa akin.
Kung magkano po yung aking binayad doon sa aking share na 20%, Your Honor.
Hindi yun. Ikaw naman. Gusto mo, Secretariat, can we get the records, the transcript during that time when he answered that question? Colonel,
Yes, sir.
makinig ka ha. Ang tanong sa iyo kanina, sinabi mo, meron kang $200,000 because you earned that where? Yun ang tanong ko.
Opo, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon naman, opo ka na. Meron, totoong $200,000.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Saan mo nakuha yung $200,000?
Yung kalahati po noon, Your Honor,
Oh.
sahod ko po na accumulated as police attaché.
Okay, as police attaché, 100,000. Kalahati, kamo, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
So, how much are you getting every month as a police attaché?
$8,000, Your Honor.
So, accumulation itong 100,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilang years ka na-assign?
Tatlo po, Your Honor.
So, sa 3 taon, naka-accumulate ka ng $100,000.
Opo, Your Honor.
O, yung $100,000 na extra.
Sa mga negosyo ko po dito, Your Honor.
So, lahat ito, in-accumulate mo in a span of 3 years.
Hindi po, Your Honor. For
Ang
my
gulo mo kausap Alam mo, ang gulo mo kausap $200,000 lang pinag-uusapan natin. Huwag ka na lumayo doon. Kaya nga ang tanong, saan galing yung $200,000? Sinabi mo, kalahati noon galing sa sweldo mo as police attaché because you're earning $8,000 per month. Sabi mo, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi i-accumulate mo yung 3 years mo as police attaché, ang ibig sabihin nun, kinita mo yung $100,000, hindi ka gumastos?
Gumastos po, Your
O
Honor.
kita mo, ang labo nung sagot mo. Pakiayos nga, I just want to get the transcript, Babalikan kita mamaya, Colonel.
Okay,
Sige,
Chairman.
sige.
Chairman, follow up lang ako doon sa mga years. Confidential short lang. Colonel, will the chair allow me? With the indulgence of
With the
Chairman
indulgence
Dan.
of Congressman Fernandez.
Ganito po, kailan ka ba na-assign doon sa US?
2020 po, Your Honor.
2020 month. Anong buwan? Anong buwan?
August po, Your Honor.
August, so half of 2020. Now, when was the NOI-PITS was established? Las Vegas?
2021, Your Honor.
2021. Of what month?
Nag-start po, Your Honor, December.
December. December 2021. In short, from 2020 to 2021, yun yung na-accumulate mo in the 3 years of your salary and your allowances. Eto ba't matras ka? Tinatanong kita. Do you confirm? Kasi yung data mo is 2020 August, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
O you were assigned now. Yung NOI-PITS was established December of 2021. So ilang buwan lang yun.
Yes,
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit sinasabi mong half? Half of your salary.
I will submit the...
And then you're lying. Huwag kang magsinungaling, Colonel. Akala mo dito yung mga tao dito, yung committee bobo. na hindi pwedeng isa-isahin? You have said on record when you asked by Chairman Barbers that half of the $200,000 came from your salary. And your salary, 2020 August, you started there being assigned, and 2021, hindi ko pa sinasabi yung expense mo. Yung expenses mo. Paano magiging half of that? How can you earn 100,000 a month for just 1 year or less? You're lying.
Mahigit po, Your Honor.
Ano mahigit? Sige nga, kwintahin mo nga. Alam mo, yung 3 years mo, kung tama yung sinasabi mo, that's only 288,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, but you started August 2020 and December 2021, saka kayo bumukas. O, yung expense mo, lahat-lahat. O, who are those, ano? Ito, Colonel, marami pa kaming tatanong sa iyo. If, in the next topic, pag nagsinungaling ka, baka mapakontem ka.
I'm very willing, Your Honor.
Oh, you're very willing. Okay. Now, sino yung mga incorporators?
Mga...
Sino mga?
Ray Perez po, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Ray Perez and...
Sino nga?
Lauro
Sino
Calonzo.
nga?
Ray Perez and Lauro Calonzo po, Your Honor.
Filipino.
Filipino-Americans, Your Honor.
Oh, saan address?
Doon po sila based, Your Honor.
O nga, saan nga doon?
Sa California po, Your Honor.
California. Saan sa California?
In
where?
Los Angeles, Your Honor.
Saan nga?
Los Angeles po, Your Honor.
Oh, Los Angeles. Now, how did you know these people?
They were my brothers, paternity brothers, Your Honor.
Fraternity brothers.
Yes, Your
O,
Honor.
anong trabaho ng dalawa? Doon.
Restaurateur po si Mr. Calonzo, Larry Calonzo, Your Honor.
O, yung Noy Pits, di ba?
Matagal na po yan, Your Honor. 2013 yan nag-umpisa.
2013. Pumasok ka lang 2020.
Opo.
2021. December.
Opo, nung mag-open ho sa
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. Opo.
Oh, please. Eto Mr. Chairman, I move for Colonel Villela to submit his SALN in the year 2019 up to 2022, Mr. Chairman. When was the last year you were assigned in the US?
Last year, Your Honor.
When was that?
2023.
2023?
September po ako na uwi, Your Honor, dito.
2023 September.
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, you submit in this committee your SALN from 2019 to 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, point of inquiry.
What is the inquiry?
Regarding dun sa $8,000 na natatanggap ni Colonel Villena, is this taxable in the US? How is the money received?
Yeah, I believe so, Your Honor, that is a taxable. If that is the gross amount of the salary that
Yung
is
ba
getting-
yung buong amount o yun yung take home mo, Colonel?
Buong amount yun, Your Honor. Dito po, inaano yon, binibigay sa amin. Pinapadala po doon. Plus yung sahod ko po as a colonel, Your Honor.
So
Hindi pa
taxable
kasama.
yung $8,000?
Dito po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Hindi. So dito kasabay ng sweldo mo, pinadadala buo. Ganun.
Yes, Your Honor. Nandito po sa land bank po. Dito po pinapapasok.
Thank you very much. I just wanted to get clarified on that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman.
Mr.
Franz.
Chair.
Please proceed.
Okay,
we have,
matatapos na ako. Okay.
Please wrap it up.
Colonel Villela, were you a former finance officer ng PNP as controller ng PD sa Iloilo?
No, Your Honor. I'm the provincial director of Iloilo, Your Honor.
Hindi ka naging finance officer?
Never I was assigned in finance, Your Honor.
You were assigned?
No.
Never. Okay. Mahilig ka rin sa mga Rolex. May Rolex ka.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ilan ang Rolex mo?
Isa lang po, regalo po sa akin, Your Honor.
Isa lang. Sino nagregalo sa'yo?
My wife po, Your Honor.
Yung wife mo ngayon. Okay. Kailan natin nabili to? Nung panahon na tayo nasa police attaché?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So basically, nabawas yung... anyway. Meron ba kayong property sa Samal?
Ako po, Your Honor, may lote po ako doon.
Meron ka sa Samal?
Dati po akong chief of police doon.
Sige, gaano kalaki yung property mo doon?
500 square meters.
500 square meter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan mo siya binili?
2014 nata, Your Honor. I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Okay. GM Garma, meron ka bang property sa Samal?
Meron po, Mr.
Meron ka
Chair.
din. Magkalapit kayo, correct?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Ilang square meter ang lupa mo sa Samal?
Parang 700, Mr. Chair.
700. Lot, Griar, may lupa ka sa Samal?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Sure ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Sige. Commissioner Leonardo, meron kang lupa sa Samal?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw naging USEC ng DNR, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And that property in Samal was a protected area. Am I correct? Protected area yun, hindi mo alam?
Yung
Sa Samal?
I think there are some areas
Correct.
that are protected. po,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
And that's the reason why these people were able to get property there because of you being the USEC of the DNR before.
That's not true.
Of course,
Your-
you will not
Mr.
deny. You will deny it. I know naman yan. Anyway. Hindi. Hindi. Are you adhering to my query that this is a protected area and that's the reason why during the time of your incumbency as a USEC of the DNR, you were able to scatter those properties to your friends. Am I correct?
That's not
Oh,
true, Mr.
I
Chair.
I know that he denied it. Of
And
course.
I'm not even sure if that is a protected area, Mr. Chair.
For your information, that is a protected area. Part of it is a protected area, and it was converted. That's why they were able to have a property from that place. Dati akong committee chairman ng ecology, and I know that. Anyway, so Mr. Chairman, for the meantime, lastly, Mr. Chairman, sa PCSO. Hindi, ito na. PCSO, who is handling those money that are being given by the PCSO to certain foundations, like the STL Foundation? Sino? Anong department ninyo sa PCSO? Ma'am, please.
I believe it's the Accounting and Budget Department.
The
The Accounting and Budget Department.
accounting. Who is the accounting budget officer? Ano
She's
name?
here.
Sige ma'am, please. Yes, please answer.
Yeah, good morning po.
About doon po sa pera ng PCSO na dinala sa foundation ng STL that was given to Mandawi through the STL party list.
For our records po, meron po kaming binigay sa Mandawi City in the amount of 2 million para po doon sa typhoon victim ng
Yes.
Odette.
Yeah, at ang nagdala ay si STL party list Ibon Barondog.
Wala po akong alam kung sino
Hindi
po
nga,
ang
can you
nagdala.
kindly tell us, can you kindly submit to us all the money that was transferred from PCSO to the STL Foundation? Can you do that?
Titingnan ko po sa record namin.
Oh, tingnan nyo sa record,
Yes,
no?
and I will submit po.
Okay,
meron
submit to
kami.
us a certified copy of that transfer of money, to the STL Foundation.
Yes po.
Okay?
Your Honor.
So we'll be expecting that and for now, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po muna at I'll be asking questions in
Mr. Chair?
Okay, thank you,
in a while.
Congressman Fernandez.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congressman Akop.
With the indulgence of Congressman
Okay, Congressman
at
Paduano.
Chairman Akop. Colonel Villela, gusto ko lang balikan po. Ito last na lang to, Colonel kasi pag nagsinungaling ka, lalabas talaga sinungaling ka. Ito so magkano talaga? 8,000 ba galing dito? Yung salary mo?
Mahigit pa ho, Your Honor, kasi yung sahod ko pa ho as colonel dito, Your
Eh,
Honor.
hindi, payslip mo, meron ka?
Meron naman po kami lahat.
So what is your gross? Gross? 8,000 US?
Yan po yung aming allowance as police.
Hindi nga, ang total mo ang kinikita. Ikaw, you're evading. Hindi ko pa nilalabas yung isang tao. O magkano talaga?
Yung 28,000, salary grade 28 po ng Colonel, Your Honor, plus yung aming allowance.
Magkano
po,
nga?
8,000 nga po, Your Honor.
Total.
plus sahod.
So less. May withholding, di ba? Magkano withholding mo? Eh kami dito sa Congress, we're just 32% nga kami. Mas maliit pang sahod namin sa kinikita mo. Oh, magkano?
Hindi ko po memorize yung sa sahod ko
Nako,
po as Colonel.
magkano ang pinapadala sa iyo? Na net. At sino ang nagpapadala sa iyo?
The Budget and Fiscal Office po ng...
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
O magkano? Magkano nga eh?
Sinasama po padalas doon.
Kaya nga
Kasama po ang
magkano, Kernel? Pinato kaya magkano?
14,000 po yung MOE ng office plus yung sahod po namin, Your Honor.
14,000.
14 po yung operating expenses.
Hindi yung sa'yo. Yung
8,000 po, Your Honor.
Magkano?
8,000
8,000.
dollars po.
O less yung 32% withholding.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit? O so magkano talaga?
Yun nga po, Your Honor.
O ba't wala kang withholding?
Ang withholding po, Your Honor, doon po sa sahod ko as Colonel, Your Honor. Yun po kasing allowance namin doon. Ito po yung aming...
Sandali. Sino yung next higher officer mo that time?
Directorate for... the Directorate for Intelligence, Your Honor.
Who is that director?
Marami po, Your Honor.
Marami.
Pag-alis ko po,
Before you leave and on your first assignment, sino? Oh, but you're talking to Grialdo. Alam niya ba? Mas alam niya?
hindi ko na...
Eto Colonel last na to, papakontempt kita.
Yes, Your Honor.
O sino? Are you willing to be cited in contempt? Willingly?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor, yung DI na pag-alis ko, Your Honor.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun di mo matandaan? Yung unang principal mo, nung na-assign ka, that was August 2020, as your statement. Hindi mo alam? Or you just evading because papatawag
No, Your
namin siya?
No, Your Honor. Hindi ko lang talaga ma-recall,
O
Your
yung
Honor.
yung last, before you're assigned here in the Philippines. Hindi mo rin alam? That was 2023, September? Hindi mo alam?
Si General Morico po, Your Honor.
General,
Major General Morico, Your Honor.
is he active until now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong assignment niya?
Ngayon po, Your Honor.
Siyempre, tinatanong ko yung assignment niya ngayon.
Director po ng Research and Development.
O, papatawag natin siya. May mo, Mr. Chairman, papatawag yung director for what?
Research, Your Honor.
O, research. Certain Major General Moreno. At the same time, makalimutin pala to si si Colonel Villela. Hindi niya matandaan yung principal niya nung time ng first assignment niya as a trustee. O, do you recall? Hindi mo ma-recall? Sinong PNP chief that time?
Si General Albayalde, Your Honor.
O, General Albayalde. Nakita ko kanina. Gen Albayalde. General Albayalde. Sino yung official niya that time?
Mr. Chairman, if he's telling when he was assigned as liaison officer of sa San Francisco po kasi dati yan naging linipat lang sa LA. Retired na po ako noon. I retired 2019, Mr. Chairman.
Oh. Ikaw, Bilila, pati si General Belialde, sabihin mo na siya.
Retired na po ako 2019.
Ikaw,
Mr.
sinungaling ka.
Hindi ko na, kasi siya ang nakapirma po, Your Honor, sa appointment ko.
Sandali,
Yes.
ba't siya nakapirma? Retired na nga siya eh. That was August of
Process kasi
2020. Sandali, please wait to be recognized by the chairman. Oh, your assignment was August 2020. How come General Albayalde will sign your document? 2019, retire na siya. You're lying again.
Elaborate, Mr. Chairman. Opo, yung signature kasi, it will be signed and then it will undergo process kasi kiniklear pa po sa embassy yan. Matagal po yung process niyan, Mr. Chairman. So, naiwanan ko na po yun. Nung pagkapirma po yan, it's not after you sign it, assigned na po yun. Magkiklear pa po yan, they have to give their credentials and all.
Okay, we'll
mag-iiba-iba
take in,
na
we'll
po
take
yung
in, sir,
Mr. Chairman.
Albayalde will take in. Now question, balik ko lang, sino? Di mo rin matandaan. Nakatanggap ka ba ng order that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo tiningnan kung sinong pumirma, sinong boss mo?
Ang na-assign po kasi ako ng Iloilo. After that, na-issuean po ako ng order January dahil pandemic po noon, hindi na po kami nakaalis kaagad, Your Honor.
Ang tinatanong ko nga, you stayed there for 3 years, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo alam?
Marami po kasing naging DI, Your Honor, that time. And
Anyway, sino yung highest official ng PNP active here? Eto, Colonel, kasi medyo nakapagtataka. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I move that we get the assignment of Colonel Villela.
naalala ko na, Your Honor, si General Agustin po, Your Honor. Major General Agustin, Your Honor.
Is he active until now?
Retired na po, Your Honor.
Retired. Mr. Chairman, I move to invite Mr. Agustin in the next hearing. Para magkaalaman tayo.
Mr. Chair. Comsec, please take note of the to be invited resource persons in our next hearing. Retired Major General Agustin. Congressman Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I think we have with us today Gerald Benji Acorda, who also headed yung Directorate for Investigation. May I be allowed to ask some questions?
Yeah, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Gerald Acorda, you were assigned with DI, Directorate for Intelligence, di po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yung mga sweldo ng ating mga attaché, police attaché, dumadaan sa DI.
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba may diplomatic pouch yun na ipinapadala natin sa US kung saan naka-assign si Colonel Villela.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung sweldo at saka MOE nila.
Yes, Your
Now,
Honor.
General Acorda, pwedeng dagdagan yun, di po ba?
To my understanding, Your Honor, yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Hindi naman perfect yung kwan na yun eh. Sistema na yun. Dinadagdag ninyo kung may pinapadala doon sa kanila na extra. Would you agree?
Yes, Your Honor, especially if there are some special occasions or visits and additional expenses that are incurred by our police attaché, Your Honor.
Maski personal na padala, po pwede. Would that be correct?
Personal, Your Honor, may I be allowed to check with our finance officer sa DI nun, Your Honor, kasi medyo hindi po ako lumaki sa controller and budget.
Nandiyan ba sa iyo? Kasama mo ba?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I must be candid.
Pero
well,
nangyayari yun. Would you also agree, General Albayalde?
I have no knowledge on that, sir. I was never assigned in the DI at never assigned in Krame, sir.
But you became the Chief PNP, right? Kung
Yeah.
ako nga na hindi naging Chief PNP, alam ko eh. Bakit hindi nyo alam?
Probably personal, sir. Hindi ko po alam, but I'm not privy on that, sir. Kung meron po talagang nangyaring ganun.
Colonel Villela, meron bang pagkakataon na hindi lang yung sweldo mo ang natatanggap mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kanino galing yung hindi kasama sa sweldo mo at saka MOE na natatanggap mo through the diplomatic pouch ng Directorate for Intelligence?
Yung sahod ko po na dito, Your Honor.
Yung sahod mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And magkano po yung sahod mo noon in terms of pesos?
120,000, Your Honor.
120,000. Mr. Chair, may I request the presence of Police Captain Anova here as a resource person?
Is Captain Anova present?
Do you know Police Captain Anova, Colonel Villela?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Madam Garma, do you know also Police Captain Anova?
Yes, yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And who is Police Captain Anova to you, Colonel Villela?
When he was PNCO, Your Honor, lagi pong nagtatambay sa akin, Your Honor. Lagi ko pong nauutusan ng errand, Your Honor.
Nauutusan ng errand. Nung
Opo,
siya po ay hindi pa opisyal. Tama
yes,
po?
Yes, Your Honor.
And was he ever assigned as your driver?
No, Your Honor.
No. Pero hindi siya, yung mga errands, siya ang inutusan ninyo.
Pag may pagkakataon po siya, Your Honor.
Yes. Ang
Yes.
tanong ko lang naman kung nautusan mo eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Madam Karma, was there ever an occasion na inutusan mo rin si Police Captain Anova?
Yes, yes, Mr. Chair. Yes,
Ano
Your
po
Honor.
yung utos nyo sa kanya?
Mag-renew po nung ano ko po, LTAP ko sa firearms po.
Maglinis ng?
Hindi, yung sa LTAP ko po sa firearms. Siya
LTAP
po,
sa firearms.
nautusan ko siya.
Siguruhin nyo yung sagot nyo, ha? Nauutusan nyo siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, can we take the oath of Captain Anuba, please?
Sige, Comsec, please administer his oath.
Mr. Nova, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry? So help you God. The oath has been administered, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Please proceed, Congressman Akop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Captain Anova, ang sabi ni Madam Garma na pag-uutusan ka lang na ayusin yung kanyang LTAP, License to Own and Possess Firearms. Tama po ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Meron pa ba siyang ibang utos sa'yo? Aside from yung pagpa-follow up ng LTOP or License to Own and Possess Firearms, meron pa bang utos?
Kung sa kanya, sir, rekta, hindi po.
Lapit.
Kung sa kanya po, rekta, sir, hindi po. Kung sa kanya rekta na utos, wala po kasi di man po nakakarekta, sir. Sa kanyang rekta na utos, sir, hindi po.
Merong mga informasyon kami natanggap na ikaw ay nagpapapalit ng peso to dollars dito po sa Maynila. Totoo ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Totoo.
Yes, sir.
Sino po ang nag-utos para magpalit ka ng peso to dollars?
Tumatawag po sa akin, sir.
Ano no?
May tumatawag lang, sir.
Sino po yung tumatawag sa iyo?
Si Sir Belela, sir.
Si?
Sir Belela po.
Si Sir
Belela po.
Si Sir Belela. Siya ang tumatawag sa iyo para magpapalit ka ng dolyar. Noong tumatawag ba siya sa iyo, noong panahon na nandun siya sa United States of America?
Yes, sir.
So, for a long distance?
Viber po, sir.
Viber?
Yes, sir.
Viber. Text o tawag?
Tawag, sir.
Tawag. So tawag, ang inutos niya sa iyo, magpapalit ka ng pesos to dollars.
Ano naman, sir? Pag, yes, sir.
Yes. So tumatawag siya para mag-convert. Saan mo naman kukunin yung peso na i-convert mo sa dollars?
Sa PCSO building, sir.
Sa PCSO building. Hindi naman pwedeng magbigay ng pera yung PCSO building eh. Kasi, siyempre, tao ang magbibigay ng pera. Di po ba, Captain?
Yes, sir.
O, sino po ang nagbibigay ng pera sa iyo para i-convert mo sa dollars papuntang US of A kay Colonel Villela? Sino po?
Mga security po niya, sir.
Ano
Mga
po?
Security po ni GM, sir.
Security ni
GM, sir.
may Madam Garma.
Yes, sir.
Sa dinami-dami ng security ni Madam Garma na galing sa CIDG, meron pang ang team ng NBI noon dyan eh. Sino sa kanila? Sino sa mga security ang nagbibigay sa iyo?
Si Sergeant Obalye, sir.
Sergeant
Obalye, sir.
Obalye.
Sergeant Obalye, sir.
Yung tinanong kanina ni Honorable Fernandez na kasama sa grupo na nandun sa PCSO.
Yes, po, sir.
Yes. Now, yung pagbibigay o pagkukuha mo ng pera doon sa taong yon, regular ba? When I say regular, is it weekly, 15 days, monthly, or 6 months?
Hindi naman, sir.
Ano?
Hindi regular, sir.
Paano? Ilang beses halimbawa sa isang buwan?
Wala, sir. Walang takdang, ano, sir.
Walang takda.
Walang takda po.
So, ibig mong sabihin, Captain Nova, na pupunta ka sa PCSO, kumukuha ka ng pera doon para i-convert mo sa dollar at ipapadala mo kay Colonel Villela. Paano mo pinadadala yung pera na yun?
Pakiulit po, sir.
Paano mo ipinadadala yung na-convert na pera papunta kay Colonel
Binabalik ko
Villela?
lang din, sir, kung sino nagbigay, sir.
Ha?
Binabalik ko lang din, sir, kung sino nagbibigay.
Binabalik mo doon sa
Kung sino nag-abot, sir.
nag-abot sa'yo.
Yes,
So,
sir.
ibig sabihin si Ovalles.
Yes, sir.
May I know if we have invited Ovalles, Mr. Chair? We have? Is he present? Yes. Yes. Pwede ba huwag kang maupo dyan? Kasi iko-contempt ko sana si Colonel Grijaldo at saka si Colonel Villela dahil tinatanong sila, nag-uusap pa silang dalawa eh. Kaya nga, would you please sit farther from Colonel Villela? Sergeant Oballes, you are the first cousin of Madam Garma, tama?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Yes, okay. Ma-establish lang yung relationship. Narinig mo yung kasagutan ni Captain Anuba sa aking mga katanungan. Narinig mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
May katotohanan ba yung sinabi niya?
Wala po.
Wala.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala.
Yes.
O Captain, sinabi nung sarhento, ikaw daw ang sinungaling.
Ako po yung nagsasabi ng totoo. Ako po yung nagsasabi
Ilapit
ng
mo,
totoo.
ilapit mo.
Nasabi ko lang po yung totoo, Your Honor.
Ha?
Sinasabi ko lang po yung totoo.
Alam mo, Sergeant Oballes, mas paniniwalaan ko ito. Bakit? Ito, assigned lang kay Colonel Villela. Ikaw, kasama mo si Madam Garma na matagal. Di ba? Sinungaling ka rin eh. Pero mamaya-maya, abutin ka rin siguro.
If I may interject, kasi
Yung
very,
chairman naman.
Chairman, very crucial to, no? Para at least maintindihan po natin lahat that si Junjun Ubales, na first cousin ni GM Garma, wipe niya ang secretariat ng head ng STL Core Group na si Emmy Ubales. And a while ago, this was manifested by GM Garma that Emmy Ubales is one of her in-law that was hired in PCSO. Asawa mo ba si Emmy Ubales?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes. And she was, and still, I mean, nasa PCSO pa ba siya hanggang ngayon?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
Yes. Siya ang head ng STL Core Group doon po sa PCSO. For the information of the body. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Captain Anoba, PNCO yung nagsasabi na sinungaling ka ha. Pakilagay mo sa isip mo. At saka tandaan mo yung pangalan niya. Di ba? Sinungaling ka raw. But, Captain Anoba, kung ikaw ay nagpapalit ng dolyar, ng pesos sa dollar, ano naman po yung pinakamalaking pinapalit sa iyo na pesos to be converted to dollars?
Pinakamalaki po, 30M po.
Ilan?
30M po.
Lakas.
30 po, 30M.
Kumain ka na ba? Kumain ka na? Hindi pa.
Hindi ako makakain, Your Honor.
Makilapit lang yung
Kasi ang hina mo magsalita eh.
30M po, Your Honor.
Ilan?
30 po.
30 M. Ilang dolyar yun?
Hindi po ako matandaan, Your Honor.
Ha?
Hindi ko po ako
Kung sa 50, 1.5 million dollars.
Basta ako pagka-autos, wala na po ako.
Ha?
Pag na ano na po, wala na po ako hindi ko na matandaan, Your Honor. Di makutig ko convert ng ano.
So, sino ang nagpapalit sa iyo ng 30 million pesos?
Doon po, nanggagaling kay Uballes, Your Honor.
Kay Uballes. Yes po. Oo. Sa tingin mo, kanino naman kinuha ng isang sarento yung amount na 30 million?
Wala pa akong idea, Your Honor.
Ha?
Wala pa akong idea, Your
Pero
Honor.
sino nag-abot sa iyo?
Si Uballes po, Your Honor.
Sergeant Uballes. Do you deny that also, Sergeant Uballes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Captain Nova, sinabi mo kanina na nagpapalit ka rin ng small amount of pesos, $2, na ipadadala doon sa United States kay Colonel Belela. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes. Kinukuha mo rin yung pera kay Sergeant Obales.
Hindi po.
Saan nanggagaling yung pera na yun?
Meron lang po akong kinatagpong tao.
Ha?
May kinatagpo lang po akong tao, Your Honor.
May kinakatagpo kang tao?
Opo, Your Honor.
Sino naman po yung tao na yun?
As to sa identity, Your Honor, di ko po kilala. Description lang po kami ng sasakyan.
No. Lakas-lakas.
Description lang po kami ng sasakyan, Your Honor.
Ano?
Description lang po ng sasakyan na ibibigay, Your Honor.
Description. Sino nagbigay sa iyo ng description ng sasakyan?
Si Sir Belela po. Sir Belela.
Si Colonel Belela. At siya rin ang nagsasabi siguro kung saan kayo magkikita. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Yes. And may I know kung magkano naman po yung pinapapalit?
500 po.
Pesos?
Opo.
500 pesos lang?
Opo.
500 pesos.
500 pesos. Ay, no, 500,000 po.
500,000 pesos. Pag ipinalit mo, binabalik mo rin doon sa taong yon?
Hindi po. Isang beses lang kami nagkikita.
Hindi nga. Ibig sabihin, pag naipalit mo sa dolyar, Saan mo dinadala yung dolyar na?
Pinapadala ko po.
Pinapadala mo. Saan mo pinapadala?
Hindi po pala, sorry po. Hindi ko pinapadala. Inahatid ko po
Inihatid mo saan?
sa DI po. Budget po ng DI.
Sa budget o ng DI?
Yung ano po, yung sa PNP po na ano.
Kaya nga, ang diplomatic pouch ay nasa DI talaga. Di ba? So sa DI mo dinadala. Sino sa DI yung pinagdadalan mo?
As to office lang po kasi, Your Honor. Hindi ko familiar, basta kilala ko lang alam ko lang yung office.
Hindi. Sino tumatanggap ng pera na dinadala mo sa DI? Na papunta doon sa kay Colonel Villela.
Hindi ko na ma-recall, Your Honor, yung pangalan, pero kilala ko po siya sa mukha.
Kilala mo siya sa muka.
Opo, Your Honor.
Sige. Siguro when the time comes, lahat ng sa PNP, hanapin mo yung litrato. Ano? Para malaman mo. Kasi dinadala mo ng pera tapos hindi mo siya kilala. Hindi mo man lang
Budget
tinatanong.
section po actually. Budget section ng DI.
Budget section.
Opo, opo.
Anong taon yon?
Di ko mahina pa naman ako, Your Honor, dyan. Basta nasa Amerika si Sir nun.
Okay. So, yun ang pinapadala doon kay Colonel Villela.
Opo, Your Honor.
Colonel Villela, a while ago, you stated, nung tinanong kita na meron pang iba, aside from your salary MOE na natatanggap ka, di ba? Inamin mo meron.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Ito ba yung sinasabi na iba kaysa doon sa salary at saka MOE mo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kanino kaya galing yun? At sino yung tao na sinasabi mo na katagpo ni Captain ano ba?
Kung sino po yung utusan ng asawa ko, Your Honor?
Ang ibig mong sabihin, papupuntahin ko pa rito yung asawa mo?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Kasi
Sinong
hindi
asawa mo
naman
ang
regular
tinutukoy
yun.
mo? Sinong asawa mo ang tinutukoy mo?
Isa lang po yung asawa ko, Your Honor. Isa lang po yung asawa ko, Your Honor.
Sino nga eh?
Si Marilu Mendoza Villela po, Your Honor.
Huwag mo akong paglulukuhin ha, Colonel Villela. Papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ang tanong ko sa'yo, sino yung nagpapadala?
Isang beses lang po yun, Your Honor.
Hindi ko naman tinatanong kung ilang beses eh. Ang tanong ko, sino?
Kung sino nga po, sir, yung nautusan ng misis ko, sir. Kasi nandito po yung
May I move, Mr. Chair, that we invite the alleged wife of Colonel Villela here?
There is a motion to invite the alleged wife of Colonel Villela. And any second? Duly seconded.
Colonel Villela, huwag kang pangiti-ngiti dyan ha.
Hearing no objection, the motion is approved. Let me remind you,
Mr.
Colonel
Chair.
Villela, you wipe off that smirk on your face. Otherwise,
Mr. Chair.
really, this is the first time we encountered an arrogant official of the PNP like you.
Sinasabi ko na sa'yo.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I just want to find out who is the alleged wife of Colonel Playboy. Colonel Playboy, who is your alleged wife?
Isa lang po ang wife ko, Your
Hindi
Honor. Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi siya asawa mo? Sino asawa mo?
Si Marilu Villela po, Your Honor.
May I proceed, Mr. Chair? As I've said, mag-ingat ka, Colonel. Di ba? Kami, seryoso kami rito. Pangiti-ngiti ka riyan eh. And may I request, Mr. Chair, that Colonel Grijaldo be seated away from Juan? Kasi tuwing matatanong sila, nagtitingin pa sila ng dalawa eh.
Colonel Grijaldo, can you please comply and transfer to another page? Can you please provide a chair to Colonel Grijaldo? You wipe off that smirk on your face. I'm telling you, you cannot fool this committee.
Na-invite na? Sabi niya.
Yeah, there was a motion earlier that we will invite the wife of Colonel Villela, and it was approved, unanimously approved, Your Honor.
I think, Mr. Chair, nalaman na natin kung saan saan nanggaling yung $200,000 na sinasabi ni Honorable Fernandez. The only question is kung saan po galing yung pinapadala sa kanya doon sa US of A. Now, Colonel Villela, what is the occupation of your wife?
Housewife po, Your Honor.
Housewife. And ang sabi mo, nagpapadala siya ng pera sa inyo.
Once lang po, Your Honor.
Ulitin ko. Alam ko nag-graduate ka ng law, pero may kalalagyan ka. Malapit nang maubos ang pasensya ko, Colonel Villela. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko ng tama. Hindi ko naman tinatanong kung ilang beses eh. Di ba? Ang tanong ko, paano nakakapagdala yung asawa mo ng pera in dollars papunta sa iyo kung housewife siya? Ang tanong ko, saan nanggaling yung pera?
Sa sahod ko po dito, Your Honor.
Simpleng sagot pala eh. Paikot-ikot ka pa eh. Di ba? Kung sinagot mo ako ng tama ng ganyan, hindi na susunod ng ganito.
Sorry, sir.
Maliwanag siguro yun. Kasi, nanggaling na ako dyan eh. Nandito na ngayon ako nakaupo. Ako ang nagtatanong. Dati, akong tinatanong ng ganyan. Di ba? But anyway, Mr. Chair, napatunayan po natin na si Madam Garma nagpapalit ng pera, pesos into dollars, worth 30 million. Yun lang ba ang nangyari? Meron pa bang ibang transaction na pinapalit sa'yo? Meron pa?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano pong ilang beses pa?
2 beses lang po yung
Magkano yung pangalawang beses?
nauna po yung una na 20, Your Honor. 20 M, Your Honor.
Ang nauna, 20
po.
M.
Pero ibang hindi yan magkasabay, Your Honor.
Anong ibig mo sabihin hindi magkasabay? Hindi isang bagsakan yung 20 million na pinapalit mo?
Hindi po. 2 beses lang po ako nagpapalit ng malaki.
2 beses kang nagpapalit na malaki.
Opo, Your Honor.
Mas maraming beses yung maliit?
Mga maliit lang, Your Honor.
Yung maliit. Okay. Yung 2 beses na malaki, magkano po yung amounts?
20 M po, Your Honor.
20 at saka?
30 po.
At saka 30.
Opo.
So, pero yung iba, nautusan ka rin na magpapalit sa
Ginagmay lang, Your Honor.
maliliit na
Your
amount.
Honor.
Okay. Saan mo dinala yung pinalit na 20 at saka 30? Kanino mo binalik?
Dito raga, doon pa rin, Your Honor.
Saan doon?
Doon kung saan ko kinuha, doon ko lang din po binibigay, Your
Saan
Honor.
mo nga kinuha?
Sa PCSO po, Your
Sa
Honor.
PCSO. Okay. So,
Okay na.
yung pa rin tao na yon,
Yes, Your Honor.
si Sergeant Obales.
Yes po.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. I think I have established my point.
Okay,
Chairman.
thank you. Yes,
Chairman,
Congressman Paduano.
before I forgot, let me move, Mr. Chairman, that to for the BID and the DFA to be alerted with regards to all those persons that was being subject of this investigation. Mamaya po, tatanungin ko lang yung DOJ kung what might be our other legal remedies with regards to these people. But of course, as of now, let this committee, to the chair, ordered all the BID to have a lookout bulletin on those persons being subject of all this investigation, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. There is a motion to...
Yeah, it's a motion, Mr. Chairman, to order BID for a lookout bulletin for all those mentioned names, especially Colonel Villela, particularly Colonel with the wife, Colonel Grijaldo, Narsoles, to be in the lookout bulletin, and of course, Colonel Barayog. Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there's a motion as stated, duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
And Mr. Chairman, lastly, just to establish the question of Palit Dolyar ni Kapitan ano ba? Kapitan, di ba sinabi mo kanina kay Congressman Acop, Chairman Acop, na twice, no? 120 million, 130 million. O yung 30 million, saan ba nakalagay? Yung 30 million pesos from the PCSO. Ano bang nilagyan nun? Karton, bag, pati kulay?
Bag, Your Honor.
Bag. Gaano kalaki yung bag? Tumayo ka, paki-describe mo.
Ang mga uban, yung tira, Your Honor, nasa...
Isang bag lang o dalawang bag o tatlong bag?
Isa bag lang, Your Honor.
O isa lang ka bag?
Isa lang po.
Isa lang ka bag. Now, so isang bag. Pagbalik, saan mo nilalagay yung pera, yung dolyar? The same bag ba o may parehong bag lang nilagyan mo pabalik?
Ang pandesal, ano yun? Naka-bulsita, Your Honor. Paper bag, Your Honor.
Paper bag. So naka-paper bag, pagbalik mo, binigay mo doon kay Oballes.
Yes,
Tama?
Your Honor.
Now, specifically, saang lugar sa Manila, anong money changer?
Your Honor, di ko na maalala yung money changer, Your Honor. Black market, ano lang po, yung tabi-tabi lang po.
Tabi-tabi? They can produce millions of dollars sa tabi-tabi lang. Kasi pag 30 million at 50 lang, that's 1.5 million US. Anong tabi-tabi? Hindi mo rin kilala? Yung tao?
Hindi po. Sa tao po, din po.
Hindi, ang tanong ko nga, sinong pinagpapalitan mo?
Hindi po, tindahan lang. Ano lang po, yung pwesto lang po siya.
Alam mo yung pwesto?
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan yon?
Sa Malate po.
Sa Malate. Saan sa Malate?
Mahaba po, Your Honor. Di ko abisado, Your Honor.
Pero pag pinuntahan, alam mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Matuturo mo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yung lugar sa Malate. Hindi mo na matandaan kung anong...
Hindi po, sorry po.
O pangalan lang, name. Sinong name? Kahit alias.
Wala pong... Di kasi ako matandahin talaga yun. More on, pagka natapos po kasi hindi na ako nagano, basta na-comply ko na lang yung...
Hindi, pero kilala mo yun, of course. How can that money changer magpapalit sa'yo kung wala siyang tiwala, hindi ka kilala? Di ba?
Alam naman yun, Your Honor. Kahit sino pwede magpapalit doon.
Kahit sino?
Opo.
Pero alam mo yung lugar.
Opo.
O paki-recall lang, in your recollection mamaya, after this hearing, paki-describe mo, pati kung kailangan sketch or kailangan natin yung lugar, papunta ng lugar para maituro niya. Just to confirm that indeed, doon ka nagpapapalit. Okay? Okay? So Malate yung first na pagpapalit mo, doon din. Sa lugar na yun.
Pareho lang po.
Pareho lang. Pareho lang. Okay. Now, Mr. Chairman, before I end, let me just put on record, Mr. Chairman, that yung I mentioned about the class 96 and 97. Gusto ko lang po liwanawin that the class 96 and 97, hindi po kasali dito. Yung mga rogue lang po, yung mga may problema lang po. Well, in fact, a lot of class 96 and 97 na magagaling po. No, they deserve to be promoted. And well, in fact, sila rin po nabibigay sa atin ng mga information. And that includes all the names. Colonel Villela, you were also there. Doon sa DPWH. Nandun ka rin. Noong June 28.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, nandun ka. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, this is the first time na inamin ni Colonel Villela. Kasi hindi ka rin makano, kasi may magtuturo sa inyo. Somebody will testify here and it will be corroborated by your also your class. That's all for now, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano.
Mr. Chair, before we go to the next, yung sa resource person that we will be...
Please make it short.
Yeah, short
Thank
lang
you.
to. Lot, Griar, do you sign documents, mga vouchers, doon sa PCSO using a green pen? Yes, or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
You sign documents?
No.
You don't sign?
Nagasulat ako, Your Honor, para malaman ni ma'am na natapos ko yung
Kaya
trabaho.
nga, nagsasign ka ng documents sa mga vouchers?
Sign po ba ang tawag?
Yes,
nun?
sign. Oo, ng mga
okay, Your
vouchers.
Honor.
Sumulat ka? Nagsign ka?
Hindi. Nagsulat ako, Your Honor, para malaman
What is your,
niyo.
anong karapatan mo para sumulat sa mga vouchers? And you are a detailed PNP on the PCSO.
Opo. Ang sabi po kasi ni Ma'am Garma, bago siya mag-sign ng mga documents, dapat nakita ko na raw at
So
para
sa iyo nagtitiwala, pero hindi mo trabaho na mag-sign ng mga vouchers sa PCSO. Am I correct?
Opo, sir. Opo, Your
Ilang mga
Honor.
vouchers ang mga pinirmahan mo sa PCSO?
Pag lahat ng dumadaan sa office ni Ma'am Garma, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, ngayon ako nakakita na detailed PNP in a specific agency signing vouchers, especially doon sa mga STL operation. Anyway, Mr.
Hindi
Chairman,
po STL,
anong
Your
hindi po?
Honor.
Treasury? Andiyan ba Treasury ng PCSO? Can you kindly submit all the documents that was countersigned by Lot Griar in this committee? All the documents that she signed prior to the signature of GM Garma, please. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ay,
Mr. Chair? Mr. Chair?
Okay, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you,
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Fernandez. Congressman
Just a
Adyong.
very follow-up, very short follow-up po kasi na medyo na I was I got na medyo naging controversial para sa akin yung pagtatanong ko ni Chairman Caraps kay Colonel. Colonel, gusto kong lang balikan.
Captain.
Captain, sorry. Captain. Gusto ko lang balikan, Mr. Chair, yung sabi mo, yung exchange yung kung saan ka papapalit ng dolyar ng peso. Sabi mo hindi mo maalala, is it black market ba ito or regular talaga na na foreign exchange ng na shop?
May pwesto, Your Honor. May
May
pwesto po.
Ano po?
May pwesto.
May pwesto. So hindi siya black market talaga kasi kanina sabi mo, di mo maalala kasi parang yung pwesto hindi mo maalala. That's why I'm trying to understand whether may minimit ka doon na walang pwesto tapos black market or meron talagang pwesto kasi hindi magkatugma yung sagot mo kanina sa kanya, hindi mo maalala kasi minimit mo lang tapos biglang sinabi mo pwede naman kung sino-sino ang pumunta. Kasi pagkakalam ko, Mr. Chair, kung black market talaga ito, hindi talaga open for everyone eh. O may contact talaga. Yun lang ang gusto kong malaman, Mr. Chair. Gusto kong ma-stop. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Adyong.